All right, so we got this right here, this Stealth Subsonic 220 grain 300 Blackout Subsonic ammo. And we got this should be the 7.5 right here. And then we got a 10.5. We didn't bring the 8.5 or the 16. What is this? Yeah, we didn't bring those two because most likely with the 300 Blackout, we're gonna go shorter anyway. This is the shortest I got. So the two cans we brought was the R2, and then we brought the Resonator K short can. So we're gonna start with this one first. We only got 20 rounds of it, so we just want to see what it sounds like, see how quiet it is. So we're gonna start with this one first. What is it? You got one more round. Hold on. Let me come from this side, different angle. All right, so now we're gonna switch the cans and do we're gonna put the bigger can on there and do 5 more rounds. All right, for the last round with the 7.5. All right, so that was a 7.5. No issues with that. So now we're gonna switch the can and put it on the 10.5 right here. All right, so we got the Resonator K on the 10.5. We're gonna do the same thing. So they both, to me, sounded damn near the same. They got that like low bassy sound, like a little thump. All right, so let's switch this can out right here. All right, now we got the R2 on there. All right, so last round for this. Yeah, to me, I don't think it's no big difference. It sound like a big difference to me between the 7.5 and the 10.5. But the cans do sound different. So only reason I got that short can because they didn't have this one in stock. So I bought the short can, and then later on this one came in stock, so I wound up getting this one. But if I had to do it all over again, I wouldn't have bought this short can. I would have just I feel like this and the R9 is about damn near the same, because you could use that R9 to do this same caliber. So I wouldn't have got this. They're about the same size. I think they got the same baffles. It's just you can shoot the 9mm with. I mean, it's a big difference in size, but I don't think it's a difference between a 7.5 and a 10.5. Now maybe a 5. I think they got 5-inch ones. Maybe it's a difference, but other than that, this stuff work. So I always like to get one box first, make sure it work, and then I get more. So I bought this and that other stuff in the other video for that 9mm from the same store. So I'll go back and get some more of this. So only thing we didn't try was the 8.5 and the 16, but I think it still should work. And we'll put it on a chronograph, see what it's getting, but I think it's cool.
I see your motivation, I see your movement is in effect, and I fucking love that shit. Let's get it.